You change an agent's prompt to make it smarter. It passes every test you have. 3 weeks later, finance asks why the bill tripled. Same agent, same answers, just quietly more expensive. Here's the gap. We test whether an agent is right. We almost never test what it costs to be right. Agent spend is a real line item now, and one prompt change can double it overnight. There's still no gate for that. So we built one. We call it costguard. Watch. The new version passes every correctness test you have. Extraction, schema, accuracy, QA, all green. It would ship. Costguard blocks it anyway. 7 times the cost for the exact same answers. Here's the idea in one breath. Whenever you change an agent, Costguard runs it, checks the answers are still right, and adds up what they cost. If the new version pays more for the same result, it's blocked. A spend checker for your agents. The idea is simple. A new version of the agent goes in. Costguard runs it many times on the same invoices, records the dollars on every run, and checks whether each invoice came out right. Then it compares cost per correct invoice to the last version you trusted. Not cost per token, cost per result. The agent on trial can be a UiPath document understanding agent or one from outside. LangChain, Crew AI, whatever you run. Costguard treats it as a black box and measures all of them the same way. Why run it many times? Because one run lies. On a single invoice, the new version looks fine. Run it 20 times and the truth shows up. Here it is on a real agent. Accuracy went up about 4%. Cost per invoice went up 7 times. That trade isn't worth it, so Costguard fails the version and blocks the promotion. And this isn't a script on my laptop. It's an unattended job on UiPath Automation Cloud on a serverless robot. The result it returned: verdict, fail, action, block. It keeps a ledger too. Money saved by blocking bad versions and by adopting genuinely cheaper ones. Cost per business outcome, in dollars, finance recognizes. When it blocks, a person decides. Ship it anyway or quarantine it. The agent never gets the last word on money. And when the numbers are too close to call, it doesn't guess. It returns needs review and hands it up. Cost is always paired with quality, so cheaper but dumber can't slip through. One more thing. The agent, the tests, the deploy, this job. Claude Code built and shipped all of it, driving the UiPath command line. The coding agent, operating the platform itself. Catch the 7 times regression before it ships, not on next month's invoice. Trying it is 2 commands. Clone the repo, then run the gate. You get a verdict, pass, fail, or needs review, and the dollars behind it. Point it at your own agent in 2 lines. Costguard. A cost gate for your agents built and run on UiPath.